Hi, welcome to the Correlator demo. Correlator is an incident correlation engine for data teams. It connects test failures to job runs via OpenLineage. When a data test fails, the hard part isn't the fix. It is figuring out what failed, what produced the bad data, who orchestrated it, and what downstream is affected. That is usually 5 tools and approximately an hour of context switching in the worst case scenarios. Correlator puts all 4 answers on one screen, and I'm here to show you how. Let's hop over to our demo environment, which is already up and running. This demo is built on top of the Jaffle Shop example from DBT, and let's run the first scenario. So the scenario is running in Airflow, so it triggers Airflow, and we jump over to the pipeline, which is already running. So this is the Jaffle Shop pipeline orchestrated by Airflow for this demo. DBT builds the models, and then DBT and Great Expectation both run tests in parallel, as you can see in the pipeline. The seed data has intentional quality issues for demo purposes. So we have duplicate customer IDs and some arithmetic mismatches. So already the pipeline tasks are failing. So if we hop over to Correlator, we can see some incidents already from the failures. And if you click on one of the incidents, you go straight to the incident detail page. On the incident detail page is where all the 4 questions that I enumerated at the beginning of this demo are answered. Here we can see what failed, the test name, test type, and which tool caused the test failure. On the right, we see what produced the bad data, the DBT model run, who orchestrated it, the full chain from the Airflow DAG to DBT model. And we also see what else is affected from the lineage graph. So we see the downstream, what is affected downstream. And you can also see the whole blast radius from here. On this same page, you can also go through the incident resolution lifecycle by starting with acknowledgement manually. And if you acknowledge an incident that has sibling incidents from a retry in the pipeline, on the incident detail page, you can see other related incidents from the same retry. So here we see the most recent incident is this, and the one we started with is this. So if we hop over to the most recent incident, it has the same view as the previous one, and we can see that after the second attempt, the pipeline failed. Because we acknowledged incidents that are related from the same retry, we don't need to acknowledge one by one, and we can also resolve all the incidents if they are fixed. So for our second scenario, we're going to simulate a fix. So assuming the fix has been applied, if you run, when we run our second scenario, which has the fix, and hop over to the pipeline will run again, and this time it will not fail because the fix was applied in this demo. So when a fix is applied, Correlator will pick up events that indicate the fix was applied, and then it will automatically resolve those incidents that were raised in the first pipeline run. And if we hop over to Correlator, we find that the incidents were all resolved, and the ones that were automatically resolved are labeled as auto-resolved, and the ones that were manually resolved are marked as resolved. That's all I wanted to show you in this demo. You can clone the demo from the repo, run it locally, and try it out yourself. Correlator is the missing link between your existing data tools. Thank you.